Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the journey feature in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books that are recommended to us. We can take a look at the other people that we follow and so on, take a look at other posts. So let's go take a look at how to use the journey feature. So basically guys, the journey feature in Deepstash is designed to guide users through curated learning paths, turning individual insights into structural knowledge, such as learning a new skill, exploring a topic and so on. So basically what you want to do first is define your interest. So when you begin, Deepstash asks you your passions, topics of interest and favorite authors to tailor content. So this is immediately going to be available to you once you install the application for the first time and log into your account. From there, you're going to go ahead and be able to set up your journey. It's going to ask you what you're interested in, and in the Explore tab right here, you can go ahead and find those topics again if you did not select them when creating your account. You can go ahead and scroll down and find the Explore by Topic option. That's going to enable you to start your journey by selecting what topic you want to learn more about, personal development and so on. Just open it up and get started with taking a look at ideas, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.